Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing absolutely fine. In this video I am going to teach you how to download and install Java in your Windows 10. So first of all you have to click on your favorite browser and open it. And then we have to write Java JDK. There are many different websites are available to download the Java, but we have to go for oracle.com website. After that they are providing the two ways, that is for Java and second is for NetBeans, but we have to click first of all on the Java. After that they are providing the software based on the operating system, that is for Linux, Mac OS, SolarASIS, SPRC and for Windows, but we have to click on the Windows because our system is for Windows. But before that we have to accept the license agreement for it, so click on the ready button for it, and then they are providing you to download the software. Click on it and the downloading is started. I am not downloading it because I have already downloaded it. Minimize it and then go to it from the software. Click on it. So yes, this may take a while. So here the actual software installation of the Java begins. Click on the next. So here are the some of the feature description of the Java, that is for development tools, source code, GRE, and in the default they are already all selected. So we click on the next. So here is the actual software installation of the Java begins. But we have to first think that how can you know that Java is successfully installed or not? So go to the Windows menu and type cmd and write a keyword Java C. So this state that Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch. This state that Java is currently not installed in your Windows 10. Preparing your installer, click on the next. So the Java is successfully installed in the system. Press close and then go to the C drive and then go to program files, and after that Java, and we have to go for JDK and bin. So here are the some of the plugins available in the Java. So we have to first copy the path. After that you have to go through this PC properties, advanced system settings, environmental variables, and then we have to go for path. After going for path, press edit, and then we have to go for new, paste the path you have copied. After again you have to go to the C drive, program files, Java, and now we have to go for GRE, then again you have to copy the path, then press new, paste the path you last copied, and then you have to press OK. So you have to check whether the Java is successfully installed on your PC or not. Go for the Windows menu, press cmd and then you have to type Java C. So there are the files in it. So it states that the Java is successfully installed in your PC, and now you can work on it. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you.